Google has added some new features that you can use when you put a table into a Google Doc. This looks pretty typical for a table. One of the nice things that you can now do is to pin this header row. If I scroll down and the table goes longer than one page, I'm not sure what the title for each one of these columns is. So I can right-click here and pin the header row. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see that that shows up on all the pages where the table exists. You can also do that by going into the table properties. You can pin more than one row. According to Google, fairly soon, when you click on table properties, it should pop out as its own sidebar menu instead of a dialog box that takes up your whole screen. That way you can work with the properties continually without having to flip back and forth. Another problem that we've all had with tables probably is when you have text in one cell and it splits over the course of a page. Now you don't have to have that happen anymore. If you go into table properties, you can uncheck this box that allows the rows to overflow. Now it forces any cell that might spread out across more than one page onto the next page. It's now easier than ever to add or arrange cells. You can take this column and move it over. You can also take rows and drag them and move them as well. You can just click on the plus button to add rows to the right. And then if that's not exactly where you wanted it, it's easy to move that as well. You can also sort inside a table now. It's not a very robust sort. You can really just sort ascending or descending, but it's more than you used to be able to do. Hopefully you'll find those new features useful.